Welcome to this new video. In this era, where science and technology are advancing at a remarkable pace, there are many innovations that could drastically change our lives in the future. Some of these innovations may seem like science fiction, but in reality, most of them are close to becoming a reality. In this video, we will explore 10 scientific inventions that could make life better and more convenient. Stay with us to discover the future today. Self-driving cars are one of the innovations that could revolutionize our lives. The basic idea behind these cars is to eliminate the need for a human driver, relying on artificial intelligence, cameras, sensors, and radars to help make decisions. This technology will significantly reduce traffic accidents, as most accidents are caused by human error. Additionally, self-driving cars will change the way we move, making travel smoother and freeing up more time to engage in other activities while commuting. These cars are expected to become a core part of our lives in the near future, thanks to leading companies like Tesla and Waymo that are developing this technology. In the future, the way we treat diseases will be completely transformed by genetic medicine. Personalized medicine involves creating drugs that are specifically designed for a person's genetic makeup. Instead of using one-size-fits-all treatments, medications will target health problems based on an individual's genetic traits. This approach will allow for more accurate and effective treatments with fewer side effects compared to general medicine. For example, genetic therapy is now being used to treat rare diseases and some forms of cancer, offering new hope for many patients. In the future, we may see even more significant breakthroughs in the treatment of chronic and complex diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, using customized genetic therapies. One of the biggest challenges in the medical world is the shortage of available organs. But thanks to 3D printing technology, we may soon be able to solve this issue. 3D printing involves creating three-dimensional objects from digital files. And in the future, we might be able to print complex human organs like kidneys and livers using live human cells. This technology would be a game changer for patients who are waiting for organ transplants, as it would allow for the creation of organs on demand. In addition to organs, 3D printing can be used to design prosthetics or biological tissues, enabling patients to return to normal life faster. While we are still in the early stages of this technology, the progress made so far is incredibly promising. Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming a powerful force in many fields, and one area where it will make a huge impact is healthcare. AI can enhance medical diagnosis by analyzing medical images like X-rays, CT scans, and MRI. This technology can detect diseases at earlier stages, increasing the chances of successful treatment. In the future, AI will help improve treatments by analyzing large data sets of patient information and determining the most effective treatments based on drug interactions and individual characteristics. Additionally, AI will accelerate the discovery of new drugs by analyzing thousands of chemical compositions. This advancement will lead to faster, more accurate healthcare, ultimately improving the quality of life for patients. In the future, virtual reality, VR, will completely transform how we learn. Instead of traditional learning through textbooks or videos, students will be able to immerse themselves in interactive educational environments using VR headsets. In this virtual world, students will be able to travel to outer space, explore marine life, or even experience historical events firsthand. VR is already being used in some schools and universities to enhance learning in fields like medicine, engineering, and the arts. In the future, this type of education could become the norm rather than the exception. This technology not only improves the educational experience, but also makes learning more enjoyable and effective by allowing students to directly interact with the material they are studying. One of the biggest challenges we face today is our dependence on fossil fuels and polluting energy sources. But scientists are working hard to find sustainable, environmentally friendly solutions. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and clean nuclear energy have become more advanced and efficient. In the future, these sources will be the primary means of generating power worldwide. For example, scientists have begun developing more efficient solar cells that can generate more electricity using less space. At the same time, companies are working on new technologies like nuclear fusion energy, which could serve as a safe and cleaner alternative to traditional energy sources. These innovations could lead us to a more sustainable future, significantly reducing carbon emissions and helping make climate. With the global population growing, the challenges of food production are becoming more evident. Hydroponics, which involves growing plants without soil, is a promising technology that could help meet this demand. Hydroponic farming uses less water than traditional agriculture, and it provides a more controlled environment for growing crops. This could help address water scarcity and improve food production. In addition to hydroponics, some companies are working on engineered foods using techniques like genetic engineering and 3D printing. Soon, we may see foods with enhanced nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, that contribute to better overall health. Traveling to Mars is no longer just a distant dream. With advancements made by companies like SpaceX and NASA, it's expected that manned missions to Mars will be launched in the coming years. This exploration could lead to a better understanding of how to live in completely different environments, helping us study how to colonize other planets. Space exploration of Mars might also uncover evidence of past or present life on the red planet, as some studies suggest that Mars once had water. As technology advances, Mars could become a potential home for humans, especially if life support technologies are developed to sustain life in such harsh environments. Nanotechnology is the science and technology of creating materials and devices at the molecular and atomic scale. In the future, this technology could lead to the development of tiny medical devices that are implanted in the body to detect and treat diseases at early stages. Nanotechnology will also enable the creation of stronger, more flexible, and cheaper materials, which could revolutionize manufacturing and construction. This technology will greatly improve the quality of life by reducing environmental damage and improving industrial applications. With the advancements in AI, people will soon be able to communicate in languages other than their native tongue, using real-time translation applications. AI will instantly analyze text or speech and provide accurate, seamless translation between multiple languages. This technology will open up new opportunities for international collaboration, whether in business or education, making it easier for people from different cultures to communicate. These were 10 scientific innovations that could change our future. What do you think? Which innovation excites you the most? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.